What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now we have two packages right here. We have a trade from Osvaldo, and I cannot wait to get this car because it is one that I've been wanting for the longest time, and we made the trade. So Osvaldo, my dude, thank you so much for always looking out and working out these deals. And then we have this package right here from Hot Rod Man 22. I definitely appreciate you working out this deal. And like I said, to the both of you guys, I already have your stuff set aside, and hopefully we can get those sent out soon. I'm just waiting for some hobby funds to drop, and then they'll be sent out. So let's go ahead and jump into the package from Hot Rod Man, and let's see what we got. Let's see what's inside the box. Check that out. Little nitrous logo. Let's see. Weight of cylinder and gas, 24 pounds. 10-pound bottle of gas. Nitric oxide. Dude, that's pretty sweet, man. Check this out. First one out of the gate. We have a 2010 Mustang GT with the sheriff livery on here. And it looks like it says Kootenai County. It's got the black PR5s. This one I do not have. So I think I have another color variation of it. There we go. You have the nice bluish purple sheriff livery, and this one is in black. Dude, nice. I did not even know there was a color variation to the sheriff livery 2010. Dude, that is awesome, man. Look at that, dude. Love the variations. That is sweet. I'm sure one of these is probably an exclusive, or maybe it's just a basic recolor. But nice, man, right off the bat. Ooh, and here we go. We have the chase ID of the Time Attack. Now, they got away with doing these, and I kind of wish they didn't, man. It was just so cool to catch a chase because it was so identifiable. Like, you had no doubt that it was the chase, but love the Spectra Flame orange. And of course, you do have the ID chip on the bottom, but I used to have a whole bunch of chase ID cars. Now I only have this one, and I think I have one more, and it's in that nitrous box. Coincidentally, it's in another nitrous box. So there we go, dude. Nice. Oh, what? What is this? Dude, I have never seen this variation of the Zender Fact 4. Look at that, man. That just screams retro 90s. That is totally low synth vibes right there, and I'm sure Strictly Diecast would agree. That just screams late 80s right there, man. Look at that. I wonder what this came out of. When I was hunting for all the Zender Fact 4s, I never seen this variation. Check that out, man. That is super cool, especially the lime yellow Ultra Hots. I have never seen that before, man. Look at that. Oh, and here we go. Let's just hold this here. I've seen this box before because I've used it to ship out, so it's super cool to see it again. Uh-oh, here we go. 93 Cobra. This makes number 2. Now, he actually did send me a message asking if I had this, and I didn't at the time, but then I did find one. But here we go. We have a second one, which does not hurt, but I'll keep this one in the package just in case. But dude, nice. Oh man, here it is in person. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this one? Yeah, buddy. Look at this beauty. Dude, that's in such great condition. Just needs a little wax and polish, but you got the Dale Jr. number 3 Nutter Butter car. Dude, that is awesome, man. Look at that. Got the 2002 Monte Carlo out of Action Racing. Oh man, that is gorgeous. And it goes perfectly with the 1/64 scale we have right there. And there we go. Dude, nice, man. Now, when he sent me the picture of this, for some reason, I didn't realize that it was the large scale. I know he mentioned it, but I just kind of overlooked it like, oh, it's another 1/64, but dude, oh, that's so freaking sweet, man. Do not overshadow that. That is a cool Zender Fact 4. Oh my gosh, another one. Oh, I didn't think you were gonna send both. Look at this, dude. Oh man, you got the John Andretti STP Pontiac. Look at this, man. That is freaking awesome. Love the 43 livery, dude. Something about the colors, man. It's like, your typical heritage colors of like the old Golf liveries. But they used a lot of baby blue and oranges back in the day, and I just love the look of it. But here we go, man. This is going to sit nicely with all of my other 43s and 44s. Oh man, look at this, dude. This is why I'm trying to make room on this shelf and get rid of a lot of these cars and kind of put them in jammers and organize it more so I can put all of my larger scale cars all along this thing. Last one. Oh, we got two more. Ooh, check this out. Custom 53 Chevy, and it's a treasure hunt. Oh, dude, that is sick, man. I don't care about the card condition because you guys know I've been opening up all of my regular treasure hunts. But dude, look at that purple, man. In fact, let's go ahead and just open it now because yeah, that card's on its last limb. All right, here we go. She is free and looking beautiful. Look at the headlight details. Oh, wow. You can see they're lined. They're not just silver dots. Of course, you got the see-through hood, chrome interior, beautiful purple metallic with the flames intertwined all over the body, and it just looks wicked, man. There you go. Taillight's done, and you do have the Hot Wheels TH right there on the trunk. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Look at that, man. 53 customs are freaking amazing. All right, so we got to throw this away. This is all of my carded stuff I've been opening. I have boxes of trash I need to get rid of. All right, and last one, here we go. We have the color shifter, 2005 Mustang. Now, I actually do have this one. It's still on card, which I think it's over here somewhere. Where are you at? There it is, right there. So, yep, out of the City Series of the color shifter, you have the 2005. So nice. We got it loose and still carded. Dude, that looks good. Look at it, it's starting to change color with my thumbprint. This should be my how am I feeling pocket car. Like, keep it in my hand all day at work and then just release it. And look at that. Nice color shifter. There is everything in that box. We still have one more. Let's see. It was a box within a box. Uh-oh, here we go. Check this out. We have the Holiday 2010 GT500 Super Snake. Oh man, that's gorgeous. I don't think I have this one. Let's see. GT500s all the way down. Super Snakes. Nope, this is one I do not have. Look at that, man. If anybody knows, it's those who have tried to send me Mustangs or hunt for me. There's a lot of Mustangs I have, but this one and the Sheriff were ones I didn't. That is freaking cool, dude. That's the Holiday 2015. Love the blue. That blue is gorgeous, especially with the black and gold hockey stripes for the GT500 Super Snake. Then you do have the little Holiday snowflake right there on the fender, but this thing is done nicely. Got the stripes on the hood, the huge ram air and heat extractors, and the black PR5s with the gold ring. That is awesome, dude. Look at that. Oh, we got some loose ones. Uh-oh, here we go. The chrome. Look at this. Another one I don't have, a Super Chrome Mach 1. Got the red line wheels. Dude, that is awesome. Look at that. Another one I did not have. Dude, that is freaking sweet, man. Oh man, and here we go. We got the GT500. I do have this one. It looks like different wheels though. OH5's in black. Let's see. Original, where are you at? OG. Oh, you'd be back here. Oh, there you go. I guess it does have OH5s. So it's out of the Muscle Mania series, out of 2009's release. But look at that, man. We have it loose. Nice, dude. Love the color. Loving the yellow with the black and gray striping. You wouldn't think that color combination would work, but it really does. Ooh, and here we go. Check this out. Another beautiful Mark Martin Thunderbird to throw in the collection. This one looks old school, man. You have the round wheel Goodyear Eagles. This looks completely different than any other T-Bird I have. Nope. So yes, definitely a different variation. This is metal on metal, Racing Champions. Dude, that is sick, man. Loving the variations of the Mark Martins, dude. There are so many. Look at that, dude. Next up, the 99 X-Side. This is a car I remember growing up, but it was more of the purple and black livery. I think Jeff Burton drove this one, but here you go. Ford Taurus 99 X-Side. Love it, dude. I don't think I have a 99, do I? Oh, here we go. I actually have the Mustang fastback of the 99 X-Side car right here. This is another Racing Champions, I believe. And it's a 67 Shelby. I believe it's a 67 or 68 Shelby. But there we go, man. Love it. All right, next up we have the number 26 Cheerios car. Check that out, man. Another cereal bag. That is cool, dude. Look at that. Oh man, I will be opening it because the bag's rough and I really want to showcase the car. And here we go, 98 Cobra. Now this one I do have, I believe it was a multi-pack or maybe it's a standalone card. Let's see, yep, standalone right here. And this one is out of the Team Ford Racing Series. So there it is, carded, the number 17 with the lace wheels. And then now we have it loose. I love the 98 Cobras, man. And the last one, man, here we go. I was trying to get this one for the longest time off of eBay and they wanted like $8 for it. And then I found one at the Traders Market and I don't know why I didn't buy it. But I'm glad I didn't because here we go. We have it in this beautiful multicolor metal flake purple. You do have the chrome Ultra Hots with the gold stripe going down the sides as well as the hood. Tan interior, dude. Zender Fact 4, man. Such an awesome car that they just never mass produced. So Hot Rod Man 22 sent the heat, man. A lot of stuff I did not have. The Super Chrome Mach 1 is gorgeous. Absolutely appreciate that. But throwing these in here, dude, totally freaking awesome. Next up, guys, we're going to be opening up the trade that we worked out with Osvaldo because it is hot, man. Let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, so we've sent this box around a couple times. I'm opening it up upside down. But if you guys can see what is in here, you will be just as excited as I am. Check this out, guys. This car right here, I've been wanting, and I've been collecting a couple variations. We do have a couple. If you can spot it right here, you can guess it right, comment down below. It is the Hot Wheels car culture of the Honda Odyssey. Look at that, man. Now, if you guys look at the back window, it is the Bisimoto Honda Odyssey. Now, this was actually built off of the van he did. He did an interview about this casting, and he said he didn't even get one of these. Like, the dude that made the van and Hot Wheels made the casting, Bisimoto said he never got one of these. And I've always wanted to get my hands on it, and it was just the hardest thing to find. And also, the prices of these were just way up there. But it's out of the 2018 series cargo carriers. Freaking A, man. This is what I got in a trade from Osvaldo, and I already see another hot casting right here. Dude, look at this, man. Nice. Oh my gosh. This is the new 2022 Q Case Treasure Hunt funny car, man. The 71 funny car. Absolutely gorgeous burgundy metallic with the Wild Pony NHRA livery and deco. And then, of course, you can see the Hot Wheels flame right there on the side fender. But, dude, man, gold 5 spokes. Talk about an awesome treasure hunt to finish out Q Case, man. Oh, man, I got to message my buddy and tell him not to send me one because he did find 2. So I got to tell him, hey, man, send it to somebody else that needs it because we got one right here, man. Hot Wheels drag strip. Dude, Osvaldo, thank you so much, dude. All right, looks like he threw in some extras. All right, let's go ahead and make some room, get rid of these boxes. All right, here we go. First one. Let's see, what could this be? Oh, there we go. Another one I don't have. Look at this, 2010 Mustang GT in blue metallic. Man, you got the black PR5s, red chrome trim, nice hockey stripe on the side. I have never seen this color variation. I don't even know what series this came out of. Nice, man, look at that. New Mustangs for the collection, which is always hard to do, man, because I have so many variations. All right, here we go. Next up, another Shelby in this beautiful orange. Look at that silver and white flame. You got the Super Snake, so I think I actually do have this one. And it might still be carded. It should be if I do have it. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Maybe this was one. I think this is one I actually have loose then. And if I do, it's probably over here somewhere. GT 500. Nope. Nope. What? There is no way. I'm pretty sure I have this. I guess I don't have it on the wall anywhere, because I don't see it at all. And these are in chronological order, so it should have been right where the 2010 Super Snakes were, but here we go. Nice, dude. All right, last one right here. Check this out. Oh, man. What the heck series did this come out of? What series did this come out of? GT 350R. What the heck? Is this a base swap? Because if it is, dude, that is freaking awesome how you did that. And how it just lines up perfectly, because, dude, that is super clean. That is super clean, because, yeah, this is a plastic base. It's supposed to be metal for the premium. So this is the Fast and the Furious GT 350R. But here we go, guys. Awesome freaking trades right here. Osvaldo hooking it up with Honda Odyssey from the Bisimoto build. Then we got the Treasure Hunt funny car, the GT 500 Super Snake 2010. This GT 350R, which is really confusing the crap out of me because of the base. If it was a base swap, well done, man. Of course, from Hot Rod Man 22, we got this awesome collection of NASCARs, as well as some Mustangs and a Chase ID that I did not have. So again, thank you guys so much for working out this deal. It is awesome to be doing this with you guys. And of course, I'm always open to trade. I get a lot of DMs and emails asking about trades. That's how I get so far behind on sending out packages. I just cannot keep up with the trades, but I just love doing it. And I love networking and making such great friends out of it. So that is all we have for today's episode, guys. If you liked it, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, comment down below your thoughts on what we got in this video. If you haven't checked out the mail call from the previous episode, definitely go swing by. I'll have the link down below. But other than that, guys, I have nothing else. Until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.